How to take a screenshot on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to capture your screen using two different methods on your Android device. First, the easiest way to take a screenshot is by pressing the power button and the volume down button at the same time. After that, hold both buttons simultaneously for a second and release. Your screen will flash and a screenshot will be captured instantly. From there, a toolbar will appear at the bottom of the screen, giving you options to crop, annotate, or share the screenshot right away. At this point, the second method is using the palm swipe gesture. Open the Settings app on your Android device. In the next step, tap on Advanced Features to open the Advanced Settings. Following this, tap on Motions and Gestures to open the gesture settings. Once done, scroll down and find Palm Swipe to capture and make sure the toggle is turned on. From here, go back to any screen you want to capture. At this stage, place the edge of your hand on one side of the screen and swipe it across to the other side in one smooth motion. Finally, your device will capture a screenshot instantly without pressing any buttons. You'll see the screen flash confirming the screenshot was taken. And that's it. If this Samsung guide helped you take screenshots on your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.